Welcome to another video featuring Brokk. Today we'll be testing GPT-5 Mini's performance against Sonnet 4. The prompt we will be using for this is as follows. Create a simple interactive web application using Python, Flask for backend and vanilla JavaScript for the front end. The requirements are the Flask backend should serve an HTML page and provide a single API point /reverse that accepts a string and returns the reverse string in JSON format. The HTML page should contain a text input where the user can type a string, a reverse text button that when clicked sends the string to the Flask backend using fetch in JavaScript, and a section on the page where the reverse string will be displayed. The code should be fully self-contained with separate sections for the Python backend and the HTML/JavaScript front end and include clear instructions on how to run the Flask app. We'll be getting started with Sonnet 4 first off. We'll allow it to run this prompt, see how long it takes, and the cost that it incurred. The results are in. It completed in 1 minute and 20 seconds and incurred a cost of only 11 cents. Next up, we have our GPT-5 mini test. Let's see how this performs. GPT-5 Mini completed in 58 seconds, incurring a cost of only 2 cents. Let's get started with the web pages now. Let's see what they produced. For Sonnet 4's web page, it looks fairly stylized, not something we requested, and it does seem to work, however. The GPT-5 Mini's web page, much more simple, also works. Let's move on to the differences between these two web pages now. So as you can see, Sonnet 4 is on the left, GPT-5 Mini on the right, and Sonnet has added the HTML information into the app.py file, which is the opposite of what we requested. We want everything to be self-contained and separate. Moving forward, you can see as well that a lot of GPT-5's code is more simple, succinct, and a lot cut down, where Sonnet has seemed to have added a lot of bloat. On to the conclusions now. GPT-5 Mini was 9 cents cheaper, 22 seconds faster, and created the file separately for the HTML from the at.py that we had requested. In the prompt, Sonnet 4 seems to have ignored that we wanted to keep those two files separate, And it has also added in some style choices to the web page that we also did not ask for. We didn't give it a style guide or anything to follow. That just makes the prompt overall more expensive to run and more time consuming, being that what if we didn't want any style or we were going to lay out style later. GPT-5 Mini definitely ran away with this one on both cost, performance, and following instructions.